Introduction: Artificial intelligence is transforming the world around us. From voice assistants to self-driving cars, AI is shaping the future. But how do you actually build an AI model? If you're a beginner, don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step in building your first AI model from scratch. We'll cover everything from setting up your environment to training and deploying a basic model. Let's get started. Chapter 1: Understanding AI models. Before we start coding, let's understand what an AI model is. Simply put, an AI model is a mathematical system that learns patterns from data. There are different types of AI models. 1. Supervised learning, for example, spam detection, image recognition. 2. Unsupervised learning, for example, customer segmentation. 3. Reinforcement learning, for example, self-driving cars. For this tutorial, we'll focus on supervised learning, where the model learns from labeled data. Chapter 2: Setting up your environment. To build our AI model, we need to set up a coding environment. Follow these steps. 1. Install Python. If you haven't already, download it from python.org. 2. Install essential libraries using pip install NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, TensorFlow. 1. Use Jupyter Notebook for easy coding and visualization. Pip install JupyterLab Jupyter Notebook. Once installed, open Jupyter Notebook and let's move to the next step. Chapter 3: Data collection and pre-processing. AI models learn from data, so we need a dataset. We'll use the famous Iris dataset for classifying flowers. 1. Load the dataset using Pandas. Import Pandas as PD from sklearn.datasets. Import load_iris data equals load_iris df equals pd.data frame data.data columns equals data.feature_names df target equals data.target df.head. 1. Clean and visualize the data. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Import seaborn as sns.pairplot.df hue equals target plt.show. 1. Normalize data. From sklearn.preprocessing, import standard scalar equals standard scalar df.illic -1 equals scalar.fit_transform df.illic -1. Step ensures that all features are on the same scale, improving model performance. Chapter 4: Building a simple AI model. Now, let's build our first AI model using TensorFlow. We'll create a simple neural network for classification. Import TensorFlow as TF from TensorFlow. Import Keras from sklearn.model_selection. Import train_test_split x equals df.illic -1. Values y equals df target. Values x_train, x_test, y_train, y_test equals train_test_split x, y. Test_size equals 0.2, random_state equals 42, model equals keras.sequential keras.layers.dense 10, activation equals read loop, input_shape equals x.shape1, keras.layers.dense 3, activation equals softmax, model.compile optimizer equals atom, loss equals sparse_categorical_cross entropy, metrics equals accuracy, model.summary. Here, we define a simple neural network with one hidden layer. The activation function ReLU helps the network learn patterns. Chapter 5: Training the model. Model training is very important now. Let's train the model using our dataset. History equals model.fit x_train, y_train, epochs equals 50, validation_data equals x_test, y_test. 1. Epochs, number of times the model sees the entire dataset. 2. Validation data, helps monitor performance. 3. Plot training performance, plt.plotHistory accuracy, label equals strain accuracy, plt.plotHistory val_accuracy, label equals val accuracy, plt.legend plt.show. If accuracy is low, tweak the model by adding more layers or changing hyperparameters. Chapter 6: Evaluating and improving performance. Evaluating metrics. After training, we evaluate our model. From sklearn.metrics, import classification_report y_pred equals model.predict x_test. argmax axis equals 1 print classification_report y_test, y_pred. To improve: 1. Tune hyperparameters, change the number of layers, neurons, learning rate. 2. Use more data, larger datasets lead to better accuracy. 3. Regularization, add dropout layers to avoid overfitting. 3. Chapter 7, Deploying the model. Once trained, we can deploy the model using Flask API. From Flask import Flask, request, Sonify import numpy as np app equals flask underscore name underscore app.root/predict, methods equals post predict, data equals request.json data prediction equals model.predict, data. Argmax returns Sonify prediction, int prediction, if underscore name underscore equals underscore main underscore app.run. It allows anyone to send input data via API and receive predictions. Conclusion. Congratulations. You've just built your first AI model from scratch. We covered setting up Python, pre-processing data, building, training, and deploying a model. Next, you can explore more complex models like CNNs or transformers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials.